So this is the big unboxing. Now we haven't opened this yet, so
No, we really haven't.
So the question is, does it come with pump and everything?
Not like that.
Yeah. It will never get it back in that bag.
It will. Apparently it does.
Right.
If you fold it correctly.
So this is the Falcon Pro 200 base air porch awning. Come on. Come on, unclip it.
It's brand new, Dave. They're stiff and awkward. Ow. You can do that bit next time. That hurt. You've got your usual patches.
Yeah, it's compact, isn't it?
It is. Oh, I'm tired and very nice need those.
Getting attacked by flies. So there's some bits in the middle there. Oh, there's the pump. There. There's
Got all your bits.
all your bits. You need all your bits.
You need all your bits. Something else that I think runs along the bottom. I think that runs along the...
Yeah.
That's a very long thing to run along the bottom.
Well, the Bango one is, isn't it? Yeah. Where's your microphone?
Probably on my seat belt. Where you left it.
I've got my pump. You go, dear.
So, I think that's the top. Thank you.
Right.
So it looks like that's the beginning.
Right, let's have a...
There's no pull string on it. Oh, there is. Is there? No. Oh, no, no. I'll have to just pull it.
Yeah.
It says it's lightweight and easy enough to have one person do it.
Right, let's yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it. No, you pulled it across now. Hello. Right.
Well, that threaded a lot easier than the Bango.
Good. I'm just wondering what the Velcro straps are for.
The Velcro.
There's like some Velcro straps.
Alright. Let's sort of pull it out a bit so we can have a look.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully those...
I think that goes against there, and then you get them sucker pads.
yeah.
Pin it.
Let's get the air into it.
Yeah.
And see where we go from there.
It's a fast air pet, apparently.
Yeah, just need to know where you pump it up from.
There's usually little pockets. There's usually little windows, isn't there?
Ah, here we go. Let me get the pump. It's a bit like our canoe,
Ah.
I think.
Today I'm just getting attacked by a fly. It seems quite like me. You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Go on.
You sure?
Yeah. It's coming loose. Attacked by flies. Right, that's
I did mention that.
seems. Okay.
Right. Go away.
That is very small, isn't it?
Fits chairs and table, Dave. Suits purpose.
Yeah. So
It's about half the size of our Van Gogh too.
right, we need the mallet and everything.
Which is why I left the boot open.
Right. So, comes with pegs.
I thought you might want to do this one since I'm holding it up. Hold on. That's not taut.
Yeah, you can adjust it.
Ah.
Okay. There we go.
So pin the back first and then put that on.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the sides after. Because I've got the suction cups to put them on.
Yes.
that has literally just taken us like, you know, 7-8 minutes just to pull that up. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit stony.
Yeah, but there is mud there. You're doing the back first.
Yeah, I'm doing this side. Oh shit. Catapult it off. Yeah, I've done it again.
You're doing well.
I know, I was thinking that. Yeah.
Well, that won't be coming off. It's bent.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do any?
Yeah, can do.
I have no idea how you get all this lot undone. What am I doing that?
Yeah, pull it out.
Why is it knotted? There we go.
Quest Leisure Products. Dun, dun, dun.
I'm gathering I just sort of shove it in there. Oh, did you?
Dropped it. So there we go. We have got our carpet down. That's not a bad size. And it was fairly straightforward to put up, really, wasn't it?
In all fairness, we had it actually fully up within
Yeah.
about 7 minutes. It's just all the fiddly tapping about and everything that you just need to do. But yeah, apparently these open up this side, or you can use that as a door, whichever side you want to do as a door. And then flies have already made themselves welcome already. Oh wait. And then that hole opens up, and you can use it as just as a canopy.
Yeah.
If you wish.
So, which isn't bad at all, is it?
Yeah. So you can either use it as a canopy or as a full undercover.
Yeah. So there we go. We did buy some better pegs, as you can see. That's what you get. It comes with it. That's what I bought. Far better. So first time we've put it up, and that is the Falcon Pro 200. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Oh, I like the new suckers there. Are those limpet things?
Yes. It's to try and make it a bit more waterproof.
Yeah, I like that.
To stop them.
So where did you get them from?
Amazon.
Amazon. Do you know? Can you remember how much they were?
Oh, God knows.
Not very expensive.
I think they're about 15 quid.
15
20
quid for a box.
For a box, yeah. Yeah, they are. Yeah, 10 pieces.
10 pieces. There we
It
go.
says for motorhomes as well.
Yeah, there we go. So this is, we've got the awning all set up. We've got, let's just come up here. So, there we go. So a tip that was given on one of the other videos was when you do your water, just open your taps and then let it all flow through. And as you can see, we've got no coughing and spluttering on the taps, which is a lot better than before. So pleased with that. So thank you very much. I can't remember who told us about it, but yeah, thank you very much. And also we have our new key holder. There we go, fan keys on there. So we're not going to be looking around, because normally we put the keys in there. So I suppose really you could put your phone on there as well and charge it. It's up out of the way. So I'm going to get the telly all set up.
You're going to put your security issues on first?
I'm going to do all the security. Don't worry. Don't panic. So there we have it.